Hi guys, this is an digital volt and ampmeter. If you are planning to buy this, see the video before you buy. The value beside V represents voltage value. The value beside A represents current value. These two terminals are used in current measurement. These three terminals are used in powering the meter and voltage measurement. This connector is kept in current measuring terminals. This connector is kept in voltage measuring terminals. Taking an 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery and its holder for demo and inserted the battery in the holder. Don't connect 3.7 volts battery to red and black wires of current measuring terminals. Connect to voltage measuring terminals carefully. After powering the supply, the module is on. In the module, the voltage value is fine, but the current value is not correct. Let's solve this issue. Don't buy if built-in shunt resistor is missed, but if already bought, then by connecting AR018 or 0.018 ohm resistor at pointing terminals, this issue can be solved.